In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom gems in Gemini. Supercharge your AI workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a custom gem, so Gemini consistently follows your preferred style, tasks, and tone, saving you time on repetitive prompts and helping you move faster. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen, so everything we need is easy to reach. If you're using the app, you'll see the same options we're about to cover, just laid out for mobile. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, usually in the top corner of the screen. Click that to open the main navigation. This is where Gemini groups key features, so you can quickly jump to what you need. From the menu, click Gems. This takes you to your personal space for creating and managing custom behaviors. Think of gems as saved instruction presets. You set a name and guidance once, and Gemini uses it every time you select that gem. Now, click New Gem. This opens a clean page where you'll define how your custom gem works. You'll see two key fields, a name and instructions. The name helps you recognize your gem later. The instructions teach Gemini exactly how to respond when it's active. In the name field, keep it short and descriptive. Aim for something you'll recognize at a glance. For example, marketing post builder, code explainer, or meeting note summarizer. Clear, action-oriented names make it easier to find the right gem when you're in a hurry. In the instructions field, write the behavior you want. Be specific about the role, tone, and format. You might say, act as a concise technical writer, use plain language, provide step-by-step output with brief explanations, end with a short checklist. If you want a certain audience, mention it. If you need a format like bullet-style summaries, sections, or a fixed structure, spell that out. The more precise your instructions, the more consistent your results. Avoid including any sensitive personal information and keep your guidance focused on what the gem should and should not do. You can always refine this text later if you want to tighten the style or expand capabilities. When you're happy with the name and instructions, click Save. That's it. Your new gem is now part of your library and ready to use anytime you want that exact behavior without rewriting the same prompt again. To recap, open your Gemini account, click the three horizontal lines, choose Gems, hit New Gem, add a clear name and precise instructions, and click Save. You've just created a custom gem to supercharge your AI workflow.